Well, we know that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration says a new sample of Taylor Farms shredded iceberg lettuce has tested positive for Cyclospora. That's the parasite causing thousands of illnesses across the United States. Now, that positive sample is separate from a list of products already recalled by the company. The sample was collected through targeted import surveillance and was not part of a lettuce recall announced on Friday. Taylor Farms says it is working to identify if any of the product is in commercial use or in consumers' homes. The FDA is detaining the contaminated lot while the investigation continues. Federal officials say there have been no cases in Canada linked to this Cyclospora outbreak. And we're back with Dr. Isaac Bogosh on this. Dr. Bogosh, certainly lots of people around me, people who have kids who are snacking on berries and like to eat lettuce, are really concerned about this. What should Canadians know about their risk of one of their family members contracting Cyclospora?
Well, for starters, I'd love to know their parental tips on having their kids eat lettuce, because I'm listening.
Me too. It's a hot summer for frozen chicken nuggets. Yeah.
On a more serious note, I mean, this is a large outbreak in the United States, a multi-state outbreak. It looks like they've targeted it to lettuce that's grown at a single facility in Mexico. Having said that, it's too early to know for sure if it's broader than that. We do not have outbreaks of this in Canada as of right now. And the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, coupled with the Public Health Agency of Canada, is aware of this, of course. And the Canadian Food Inspection Agency has surveillance for incoming products, including berries and leafy green vegetables like lettuce and basil and parsley, to screen for pathogens, including Cyclospora. They have not detected this coming in. And according to FAC, Public Health Agency of Canada, there's no outbreaks of this to date. Have we seen this before? Absolutely. We see it in return travelers, usually coming from low and middle income countries, who pick this up by ingestion while traveling abroad. And we also see it through small outbreaks with imported produce, but we just haven't seen it with this. I think it's clear that our agencies are in communication with the FDA, but for the short story long, for the Canadians concerned about this, we don't have this in Canada right now. And if we do, we have the capacity to identify it quickly and remove those products quickly should it enter our country.
I mean, it is the summer travel season, and we know that some Canadians will undoubtedly be traveling in the United States. If you are there, maybe you have an Airbnb, you're making your own food. What are some of the basic measures that people should keep in mind for safe food handling or to minimize the risk of contracting Cyclospora?
So great point. And two answers here. Number one, I have a feeling now that the source has been identified and they're in the process of pulling these products, this outbreak will be quelled very quickly. Having said that, if you're in the midst of an outbreak situation, it's a little bizarre saying this for the United States. We usually say this for travel to low and middle income countries, but if you're in the midst of an outbreak setting with Cyclospora, we sort of have this adage in travel medicine: boil it, cook it, peel it, or forget it. Because that will significantly reduce the risk of infection. I mean, this is almost always acquired by ingesting contaminated produce or berries, and those simple measures will significantly reduce the risk of infection.
Okay, boil it, cook it, peel it, or forget it. I think from what we've just said, our kids prefer to just forget it.
Yeah, we're in the chicken McNugget stage.
Chicken McNugget stage. It's very safe right now. Thank you so much, Dr. Bogosh. Really appreciate you being on our show.
Thanks for having me on.
Dr. Isaac Bogosh is an infectious diseases specialist with Toronto General Hospital.